Teachers and parents are key to success. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
My name is Jessica Singh. Today I would like to share experience of this coaching, which is like this. Let's start. When I joined this coaching, I did not know about the tenses, models, active passive voice, and how to deliver the presentations and how to talk in English. And I feel shy to come in the front of friends because I don't know these things. I did not know these things. That's why I feel shy to come in the front of you. But when my sir boosted my confidence and told me about these all things, after from this day I speak with confidence, and I am able to deliver the presentation, and I can talk to you, and I can conversation with you because of my sir. With the help of sir, I got first position in storytelling competition in my school because of my sir. I would like to share one thing also, that earlier I used to do very bad behavior, means we can say the rude behavior with my parents. But when my sir told me about the importance of the parents, from this day I work on my behavior. I speak with my parents in the polite behavior because of my sir. And second, I would like to also share this thing which is funny. Like, I did not like to share my lunch box to a helper, means a children who don't a student who don't take their lunch. But when my sir told me about the sharing is caring, from this day I share my lunch box. And I would like to share very good thing of this coaching, that this sir don't do the discriminate about the students. That's why I like this behavior in sir very very much. And in this coaching, there is a student who support me very very much, and they also told me about that you do good behavior with your parents. That's why I would like to give very big thanks to my sir and my friends. Now at last, I would like to give very big thanks to my parents, because if my father don't find this coaching, so I think I am unable to come in the front of you, and I think I don't speak this English. When my parents did not allow me and did not find this coaching. Thank you and have a nice day.